Happy Valentine's Day weekend.
Yay, love.
We're starting it off. Going to get some lunch. It's Saturday at noon. We're kind of getting a late start to our day, but that's okay. We're gonna go get some food and then we're gonna head to IKEA. Very excited.
I haven't been to IKEA in Singapore
And I put this whole Pinterest board together so Leland knows what we're looking for. Okay, let's go. Not me going to the dessert section first.
No, not at all.
Hand wipes? I'm assuming. What is this, Leland?
It's a type of cracker. I can't remember. I don't know the name of this one specifically, but I think it's wheat. You have the banana leaf on your plate. What do you think? Flavorful? Good? Yeah. What do you think this one is? It's like cabbage. Yeah. And then here's a chicken masala.
Oh, I'm excited for this.
Yeah. A little sour. Yogurty.
Spiciness.
Yeah. What'd you think?
I really like mango lassi.
You really like the what?
Mango lassi.
Yeah, the mango lassi is really good. Yeah. Which the mango lassi is perfect for. The only problem is the mango lassi isn't free flow.
Yeah, sorry.
But all of the rice and vegetables, it's all free flow. So before coming here, we learned that the hack was instead of getting a biryani set, which would come with the protein and the rice and the vegetables, you can just order the rice and the vegetables, which is free flow, bottomless, and then you just order an entree. And so that's what we did.
An entree like a la carte.
Yeah.
The protein a la carte.
An entree a la carte. So that's what we did. It was a good amount of food. Didn't overeat on meat, which is good. Mostly vegetarian, so happy. He's this close to biting my head off.
I had my coffee today. We're headed out to IKEA. Is it in Jurong?
Jurong.
Jurong.
It's gonna be like a 50-minute MRT ride.
Wow. So I'm used to like 2 stops, maybe 30.
Yeah. I spy IKEA.
See if they have these. I want to get these because we're not doing like.
Yeah, huh? Keep getting closer to the gourmet hot dog.
Keeps going up.
Alright, that was very educational. We're just checking out the showroom. I'm preparing myself to carry like 7 baskets on the MRT for an hour. What do you have there?
I have a ring. Exactly what I said that I wanted. And it's 30% off. And there's only 2 left. And I got one of them.
And we only have a whole lot more shopping and walking to do.
It's exactly what we wanted. It's on sale.
Okay.
Cheaper than what we thought I could.
Alright.
It is.
Yep. Yep. She's got a point. Well, we have some exciting news. It was 50% off instead of the expected 30% off. So that was another $25 off of what we expected.
What a steal. I'm so excited. I'm really so excited.
The mask is really starting to irritate my ears and my head. So we're gonna go find a spot to sit. Probably grab some boba and milk tea.
Yeah, so we can take it off.
Yeah. It's sweet? It's not very sweet, right?
It's Asian sweet.
Yeah. That's why I get 100% sweet here, even though they probably think it's gross.
It's not bad. Guacamole.
It's bad.
It's not bad.
Yeah. It just tastes like avocado at first. A strong avocado flavor.
And then it's like sweet coconut.
And then, yeah, sweet coconut. I did not know you could find one of these here. Long John Silver's.
Towel. Disney Chinese New Year towel.
Awesome.
Yeah.
That's a good one.
Nice! Look, now we can put our prizes in it.
Oh, that's perfect.
I think that ball might roll soon.
Yeah.
That's so nice!
Oh, thank you.
Another player, she was on that machine. Live long. She just came over and gave us some of her prizes. She's so sweet.
That was very sweet.
That was really sweet of her. Go for this bear or no?
Go for it. That is money. Thank you.
We hit one jackpot, so we get one of these. Cinnamon roll is cute, but this is calling my name. You win?
Oh my gosh. Nice. You have fun?
That was a lot of fun.
That was fun to watch.
Oh, lightning. Want to eat here?
Yeah. That does look good.
Grilled chicken set for 580.
Yeah. Hello, can we get set 6?
Having here,
Having here.
one only.
Well, just one. Yeah. Good?
This looks really good. The curry rice.
Yeah.
And egg.
Yeah. Good? Good.
I actually decided peanut butter coconut.
Okay.
5 pieces.
Thank you.
Is that a pandan leaf?
Yeah, I think so.
Are you supposed to eat the leaf?
I don't think so. That's your face after eating almost everything today.
It's good.
Is it?
Yeah. It was just like not what I was expecting.
Yeah.
It's really good. Nice sweet treat. I just thought I was surprised by the texture of the white.
Really sweet. Yeah. This is definitely gluten-free. This feels gluten-free.
It does.
Good.
Good, right?
Yum.
Yeah.
No, the coconut's really sweet.
Yeah.
It's nice.
5 pieces for $4.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
February 13th.
Happy Sunday.
Happy Sunday.
We're on day 2 of our Valentine's Day weekend. Starting it off with some lunch. We're going to eat cheap today because we're gonna have a very nice, expensive steak dinner later. So we're gonna go to the local porridge spot that we went to a couple days ago because that's what I feel like eating, and I really want a sesame ball.
Yeah, I'm gonna get other dim sum style food.
It says plants for sale. Open 24 hours.
Guess we're gonna find out.
We'll find out. Food secured. Head home. And then come back here, get our plants, and then probably go to the mall to get our toilet paper.
Yep.
Yep. 280.
This was $2.80 plus
For
another 20 cents for the takeaway.
So $3.
And then this was, I think each of these were around $2.20.
Which makes this
$1.
we're off again to go pick up our plants. I'm excited. I'm bringing this box bag thing to carry the plants back.
These 3, right?
So cute.
Yeah.
Okay.
Somebody's got new plants. Okay.
Cute, eh?
Cute. Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day. It's still Sunday.
We are headed to Bistecca Tuscan Steakhouse.